friends, welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geetha's Kitchen. Today we are going to make two different gluten-free energy bites. The ingredients used in this recipes are high in fiber and protein. To make the first one, we are going to use splitted moong dal, flax meal, brown sugar and coconut powder. Coconut powder is optional. First step is to roast 1.5 cups of moong dal in a pan using medium heat till it turns golden brown. Add 1 cup of flax meal to the roasted dal and roast it for 3 minutes. Powder the roasted mixture using coffee grinder or a mixer. I powdered it coarsely because we like to buy pieces of roasted dal. Melt 3/4 cup of brown sugar using 1/4 cup of water and pour that to the powdered mix. I added 2 tablespoons of almond butter, but that is also optional. You can crush any type of nuts and add that to the mix instead. You can also add cardamom powder or cinnamon powder for flavor. Wet your palm and make your snack bites. Roll it in the powdered coconut and enjoy. These bites are super healthy, and with its high fiber content, it will help you lose some weight. The ingredients of these bites have many health benefits. I will list those in the description. In this bite, we are going to use oats instead of flax meal since it is easily available everywhere in the world. I'm using 1.5 cups of moong dal, 1 cup of oats and 1 cup of brown sugar or jaggery powder. Follow the same steps as the first one and make the bites. Improvise your bites with your favorite nuts and flavors. Try to substitute the store-bought protein bars with the snack bites. Many store-bought protein bars contain various preservatives and chemical compounds to make them last longer and taste better. Some snack bars opt to use sugar alcohols or artificial sweeteners to cut down on sugar content. These have been linked to health problems as well. So let's make energy bites at home instead of buying pre-made or frozen snacks that often contain preservatives, added sugar, fat and sodium. Moong dal or yellow gram, like other lentils and pulses, is a good source of protein and dietary fiber. It is low in fat and rich in B complex vitamins, calcium and potassium. It is free from heaviness, which are associated with other pulses. It is one of the easily digestible pulses of all lentils that can be included in any diet plans. It lowers cholesterol levels and reduces the risk of heart disease. A healthy protein for diabetes that helps in regulating blood sugar levels and good for all Weight Watchers. It is loaded with B vitamins, controls PMS symptoms. You can also eat moong dal at night as it is easily digestible. Flax seeds are good source of many nutrients. I'll put all those facts in the description box. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Geetha's Kitchen. Thank you.